the next question is, what type of neural network should I use? So in most of my work, I use just standard neural networks, but there's also the possibility to use convolutional neural networks, and convolutional neural networks are often used in image processing, or LSTMs, which means long or short-term memory neural networks. LSTMs are often really good in dealing with time series. However, the problem with LSTMs is that the time series that it likes dealing with should be stationary, and this is often not the case for financial data. So in my own work experience, I find LSTM don't really show much benefit. They're not worse than standard neural networks, but they don't usually provide a benefit for reinforcement learning. And the same, in fact, is actually true for convolutional neural networks. Now, of course, what I'm building may not be ideal, and I'm not, in that sense, a machine learning guru. I'm first of all a trader, and I'm operating in the financial markets to make profit. And I use all these algorithms as tools, and I usually apply the things that work and don't take too much computational effort and just function in the way that I want them to function. So in my experience, simple neural networks are just sufficient for what we're trying to do.